Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, Killaloe Infinity. Today I'm going to bring you on a travel vlog of Killaloe in County Clare in Ireland. So I'll be taking you down the canal and looking at the various boats. Let me know in the comment section below which is your favourite photograph. Killaloe is a large village in East County Clare, Ireland. So the village lies on the River Shannon on the western bank of Lough Derg and is connected by Killaloe Bridge to the twin town of Ballina on the eastern bank of the lake. Killaloe village is a very beautiful waterside village, so it's very well worth visiting, and I quite enjoyed the day we spent there. So it's best known as the birthplace of Brian Boru. He was the High King of Ireland circa 940 1014 AD. Killaloe was the capital of Ireland during his reign. With its historic 13-arch bridge, Killaloe is one of Ireland's prettiest towns, and there's lots going on. So from the photographs, we took a stroll down the river, and you can admire the 13 arches of the stone bridge, which is quite beautiful. You can also follow the 4.5 kilometre historic town trail, which has 9 waypoints of the main sites. So you can't miss the imposing cathedral, the courthouse and well of Moray. But there's another gem at the top of the main street, Saint Molua's Oratory, which was relocated from Friars Island as part of the hydroelectric scheme. You can also go on a river cruise, so they're very popular things to do in Killaloe. Seeing Killaloe from the river is a great way to admire the lovely town. It has an upper deck and an enclosed salon with plush seating, bar tables and cushioned stools. So it's the perfect place to relax with a drink from the bar as the scenery glides gently past the window. So the smaller Spirit of Lough Derg operates scheduled cruises on demand. So there is several restaurants in Killaloe. So there is Flanagan's on the lake. It's an award-winning gastropub with excellent food, outdoor seating and superb lake views. The boathouse is another lovely spot with stunning riverside setting within the Ceann Coradh estate. There is the Cherry Tree restaurant, which is also very popular. You can also rent a bike and head off on the Lough Derg cycleway, which is quite beautiful. So there is many various activities you can do here in Killaloe. I hope that if you enjoyed this video, you will give it a thumbs up, share it to your friends and family. I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.